everyone, welcome back to Mr. Browser. And today we're going to do a video of my remote control Audi R8. I actually got this from one of my uncles for Christmas, and here they are. Over here is the Audi R8 itself. I've been playing with this for a bit, quite a bit. It's quite good. The only thing is, these parts are damaged. Here, you see. Here. Let's show you the interior of this car. Here you go. It's a bit hot. There you go, this is the interior. Now let's show you the other side. See? Right here where you would see your engine. And that's the logo. And these actually have 3 LED lights on the back and also the front. Unfortunately the battery is dead on this, so I need to recharge it. So this way your battery sits. It's also rechargeable, which is quite cool. So yeah, it's quite nice, I'll see. So let's move on to the next one. Here is the remote control. It's quite cool, it has to set up a wheel here. You see? And there's a switch here to turn it on. I could tell you something, guys. There's actually snow still going on outside right now. And it doesn't snow or something. You can see the red light is blinking because this car is off. But if the car's on, without the controller on, the car makes like a wee beeping noise. So up here is your antenna. And if you haven't seen these controls, they say back. You see, look. This is for go forward and that's backwards. I can use it like this. See? So that would be the end of this video today. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye!